Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Build Robot is probably one of the most rewarding and engaging projects you can undertake, combining the thrill of electronics, the precision of mechanics, and the creativity of programming. Whether you are a seasoned robotics enthusiast or a curious beginner, building your own robot offers a unique opportunity to learn, create, and have fun, allowing you to bring your robotic visions to life and explore the fascinating world of robotics. Number 5. Sillbird STEM 12-in-1 Solar Robot. This amazing kit lets you build 12 different robots. It's perfect for kids who love to create and explore. It uses the power of the sun. Watch it move and learn about renewable energy at the same time. This is a great way to learn about science, technology, engineering, and math. It helps develop problem-solving skills too. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making it simple to build all 12 robots. It's great for building together as a family. It's an ideal gift for birthdays or holidays. It's a fun and educational way to keep kids engaged and learning. What we like. It offers a variety of build options to keep your child engaged for hours. The solar power aspect introduces green technology in a fun way. If you're looking for an educational and engaging STEM toy, this is a great choice for your child. What people say. Did with my 9-year-old. It probably is too challenging without a teenager or adult to assist, but this is so fun and it is very inexpensive. A must-buy for LEGO fans who want to experiment with super basic electronics. Great quality. I purchased this for Toys for Tots. I often buy toys to donate that are geared towards younger children. This seems to be a fun, engaging activity for an older child. Hopefully this sparks a love for engineering or science. One of my family members spoke about studying and creating with STEM. I thought this would be a good idea to get this particular project to complete and challenge them with this. They have no idea that they're getting this. Number 4. Makeblock mBot Robot Kit. Get ready to explore the exciting world of robotics with this fantastic kit. It's packed with everything you need to build your very own robot. Connect it to your computer using the included cable or enjoy wireless freedom with the Bluetooth dongle for a stable connection up to 25 feet away. It's designed to make learning fun. It's perfect for beginners, guiding you step by step from scratch to Arduino programming. With clear instructions, you can build it in just 15 minutes. Building it is part of the learning experience, introducing you to electronics and robotics components. It comes with coding cards and lessons to help you master its functions and create your own projects. Use the free Makeblock apps and mBot software to control it, play games, and code. Surprise a young learner with this awesome gift. It's a perfect way to spark their interest in STEM and make learning an adventure. What we like. It's quick to assemble, even for beginners. The Bluetooth connection and coding aspect makes learning fun and interactive. If your child is interested in coding and robotics, this kit provides a great starting point. What people say. It's designed to be tough and has capability that is only limited to the kids' and parents' imagination. It is an absolutely fantastic toy for my 8-year son. He likes it so much. I especially loves that you can program in both Scratch like GUI and actual coding. This is not a toy, but that doesn't mean it's not fun. It's a very sturdy machine with legit parts for a robot. The projects are fun, but we went through them quickly, so I've had to make up more challenges to keep the interest going. Number 3. BIRANCO 3-in-1 Stunt Racer. Get ready for hours of fun building and racing with this incredible 3-in-1 set. It's more than just an RC car, it's a STEM project that will challenge and excite. Build a tracked racer, a tumbler robot, or a spin car, the possibilities are endless. You can even combine it with other BIRANCO sets for even more building options. With easy-to-follow instructions, building your creation is a breeze. It might take some time, but the result is a fully motorized, remote-controlled vehicle that's ready for action. It features a safe, rechargeable battery providing up to 25 minutes of playtime. The 2.4G remote control ensures powerful and responsive driving. This isn't just a toy, it's a STEM project that boosts creativity, problem-solving skills, and hand-eye coordination. It's a fun way to learn. Looking for a gift that combines fun and learning? This is it. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion for kids aged 8 and up. Made with high-quality, safe ABS plastic, it's built to last. We're confident you'll love it. What we like. It allows for multiple builds and play styles. The remote control adds an extra layer of fun and control. If you want a versatile and long-lasting RC building toy, this is a great option. What people say. It comes in giftable packaging. The car itself comes with a rechargeable battery, but the remote requires AAA batteries. I love the fact that the car has tow motors, each side of the car is controlled individually. You can turn the car right or left. Really an awesome toy. My 4 and 8-year-old kids had a lot of fun putting it together. It was a great afternoon project for them. It took them maybe an hour and a half, but they played with it for quite a while after building it. Instructions were easy enough for my 8-year-old to understand, and they built it without any supervision. The remote worked well to control the vehicle, and everything was moderately easy to assemble. The instructions were good, nearly as good as Lego itself. Number 2. Thames and Kosmos' first robot factory. Join Ty and Carly, 2 young engineers, on an exciting adventure at the robot factory. They need your help to fix some wacky robots. Get ready to build 8 unique and quirky robots. Each one is motorized and ready for action. Follow the easy-to-understand, step-by-step instructions in the storybook manual. It's fun and educational. Building these robots helps develop important fine motor skills. The large, easy-to-handle pieces are perfect for little hands. It's powered by a battery-powered motor box, bringing your creations to life. Requires 2 AA batteries, not included. This kit is perfect for young engineers aged 5 and up. It's a great introduction to the world of mechanical engineering. It's compatible with other kids' first early engineering kits, so the fun can continue. What we like. It makes learning fun with a captivating story. Building the robots helps develop fine motor skills. If you are looking for an engaging and educational toy for younger children, this is perfect for them. What people say. It's fun for sure, quality isn't bad at all. Super cute set, and the company was great at replacing a piece when we lost one. The pieces were appropriately sized for his hands. He really feels excited each time he used this robot. Number 1. OKK Robot Building Toy. It's more than just a building toy, it's an educational tool that helps kids develop hands-on skills and creativity. It's perfect for boosting mental health and fostering curiosity through play. Control it with the remote or via a smartphone app. It offers multiple control modes, including voice control and path planning, making it super fun and engaging. Build, code, and play. It uses snap-together parts and servo motors, making it easy for kids to create and code their own robot. It's a great gift for any occasion. It has a built-in rechargeable battery and comes with a remote control. A full charge provides about an hour of playtime. The remote requires 2 AAA batteries, not included. This kit includes 635 building blocks and a picture guide to help children build step by step. Get ready for hours of fun with friends and family. What we like. It offers a variety of control options for added fun and engagement. The large number of pieces allows for extensive building possibilities. If you want a complex and feature-rich robot building experience, this is the one for you. What people say. Directions were pretty easy to follow. It actually works with the remote control once you finish. The directions don't give you bag number details like Lego does, but it did go in order and all pieces were present. Once together it feels sturdy. The remote is easy to use and the robot can go on our carpet and hard floors. The remote controls the robot's movements forward, backward, and to the right and left. It also can move the robot's head to each side. With 635 pieces, this kit provides a comprehensive building challenge that keeps children engaged for hours. The step-by-step picture guide is clear and helpful, making the assembly process enjoyable and educational. The ability to control the robot via a remote or an app is a major plus. The different modes, remote control, path mode, voice control, and gravity sensor, add layers of interactivity and fun, allowing for various ways to play and learn. The USB rechargeable design is convenient, eliminating the need for constant battery replacements. The robot responds well to controls, capable of intricate movements like full 360 rotations and expressive gestures. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.